Good morning, students. Standard 8th, Subject Maths, Chapter 14, Factorization. You already know what is the factors of natural number. Factors are the pair of natural number which give the resultant number. Example, 24, it means 12 2s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24. So, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, that is also get 24. So hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. Now prime factor form. If we write the factors of a number in such a way that all the factors are prime number, then it is said to be a prime factor form. Example, the prime factor form of 24 is 24 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Factors of algebraic expression. Like any natural number, an algebraic expression is also the product of its factor. In the case of algebraic expression, it is said to be an irreducible form instead of prime factor form. Example, 7pq. 7 multiply p multiply q, or you write 7p multiply q, or 7q multiply p, or 7 multiply pq. These are the factors of 7pq, but the irreducible form of it is 7pq equal to 7 multiply p multiply q. Next example, 2x in bracket 5 plus x. Here the irreducible factors are 2x and 5 plus x. It means 2 multiply x multiply 5 plus x in bracket. Now factorization. The factors of an algebraic expression could be anything like numbers, variables and expression. As we have seen above that the factors of algebraic expression can be seen easily. But in some case like 2y plus 4, x square plus 5x, etc. the factors are not visible. So we need to decompose the expression to find its factor. Now method of factorization. First one, method of common factors. In this method, we have to write the irreducible factors of all the terms. Then find the common factors amongst all the irreducible factors. The required factor form is the product of the common term we had chosen and the leftover terms. Let us understand with the example 4x square plus 6x. 4x square, it means 2 multiply 2 and x multiply x. And 6x, it means 2 multiply 3 multiply x. So which is the common factor? 2 is the common factor, and in variable 1x is the common factor because here 2 times x is there and here 1 time. So 1 time x is common. So 2x is our common factor. Now what is the remaining here? 2x and here 3. So these are the factorized. 2x in bracket 2x plus 3. Second, factorization by regrouping terms. Sometimes it happens that there is no common term in the expression. Then we have to make the group of the term. Then choose the common factor among this group. Find the common binomial factor and it will give the required factors. Example, factorize 3x square plus 2x plus 2x 12x plus 8 by regrouping the terms. Now here we have to make the regroup. So 3x square plus 2x is a one group and second group is 12x plus 8. Here x is common, so we have to take x as a common factor, remaining is 3x plus 2. And here 4 is common because here variable is not given and 12 and 8 are comes in table 4. So 4 is our common, remaining is 3x plus 2. So here 3x plus 2 and here is 3x plus 2, both are common factor. So 3x plus 2 is our common factor and remaining is x plus 4. So now the common binomial factor, that is 3x plus 2, has to be taken out to get the 2 factor of the expression. Now come to the exercise 14.1. Find the common factors of the given term. First one, 12x and 36. So 12x, it means 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply x, and 36 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So which is the common factor? 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 is a 12. So 12 is a common factor of 12x and 36. Same as second one, 2y and 22xy. So which is a common factor? 2y is a common factor of 2y and 22xy. Same as third one, 14pq and 28p square q square. So in this common factor is 14pq. 14 2s are 28 and 14 1s are 14. So 14pq is our common factor. Same as fourth one, 2x, 3x square and 4. Here 3 terms are given. We have to find out the common factor. Here 2x, here 3x square and here 4. 4 is a coefficient. So there is no variable. So here common factor is only 1. Next one, fifth one, there is 6ab is the common factor. In sixth one, there is a 4x is our common factor. Seventh one, 10pq, 20qr and 30rp. So which is the common factor? That is 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20 and 10 3s are 30. Here pq variable, here qr variable and here rp variable. In these three terms there is no common variable, so only 10 is our factor. Then eighth one, x square y square is a common factor in these three terms. Next question number 2, factorize the following expression. First one, 7x minus 42. In these two terms, 7 is a common, in bracket x minus 6. In second one, 6p minus 12q, that is 6 in bracket p minus 2q. Same as third one, 7a square plus 14a is 7a is common, a plus 2. Same as fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one and 10th one. We have to find out the common factor and remaining are the factors of each and every term. Come to the next question number 3. X square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Here we have to regroup. It means x square plus xy is a one group and 8x plus 8y is our second group. In one group x is a common factor and in second group 8 is a common factor. Now in bracket x plus y and x plus y, both are the common factor of both the regroup. So x plus y is our common factor and remaining is x plus 8. So required factor are x plus y and x plus 8. Same as second one, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Take a group, 3x is a common factor in first group and 1 is the common factor in the second group because there is no common coefficient and not a common variable. So our required factor is 5y minus 2 and 3x plus 1. Same as third one, same as fourth one and fifth one. So you have to find out the factors of each and every expression. Here our exercise 14.1 is over. Thank you.